Audience tip: Method of Wudhu. Starting.
First, make near intention that you are making wudu for salah and begin say Bismillah in the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Wash both hands up to the wrist 3 times, making sure the water has reached between the fingers. Pour a handful of water into your mouth and rinse it thoroughly 3 times. Sniff water gently into your nostrils and 3 times to clean them, and then wash the tip of the nose. Wash your face 3 times for the lobe of your right ear to your left ear, and from your hairline forehead to your chin. Wash your right arm and then your left arm thoroughly, from wrist up to and including your elbow 3 times. Move the wet palms over the head from the top of the forehead to the back of the head. Pass the wet tips of index fingers into the grooves and holes of both ears and pass the wet thumbs behind the ears. Finally, wash both feet too and including the ankles starting from the right, making sure that water has reached between the toes and all parts of the feet. At the end of the above steps, recite Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, meaning I testify that there is no God but Allah, and He is the one and has no partners, and also I testify that Muhammad is His servant and messenger.
Okay, you should repeat your wudu after.
Natural discharge, flow of blood or pus from any part of the body, full mouth vomiting, falling asleep.
Al-ghusl, the washing of bath.
The greater purification al-ghusl is obligatory when one is defiled as a result of nocturnal emission, material intercourse, childbirth, or when entering into the fold of Islam. The procedure is as follows. Begin with the name of Allah. As for wuzu, wash the hand and the affected parts of the body with water to remove any impurity. Perform wudu above the whole. Wash the whole body 3 times using clean water from each wash.